So ever since our last reel, many patients come and ask me like, stress, heatiness, is it linked? Yes, definitely is linked. So how does stress cause heatiness? So in TCM's perspective, right, when your body is stressed, so your liver, your heart meridian gets overactive. So if you heard me saying, if you are a patient that you heard me saying, you have liver and heart meridian overactivity, this is what I mean. Okay, so 心火旺, 肝火旺. So these are the two main areas which happens when your body gets stressed. So it produces a lot of some signs and symptoms like dryness in the mouth, sleeplessness, easily irritable, dry eyes, dry throat. So these are some of the symptoms which is caused when your body is stressed, and the stress causes heatiness. So yes, so this is how stress causes heatiness. And so if you have any other questions that you have about our reel or anything that you would like me to explain at all, just type into our commentary below and we will explain to you.